Hello everyone. My name is Arnold Carroll. I'm a student of Bombay Teacher Training College, and as, as an initiative of the SDC course in our college, I'm going to tell you about the common statistical data which can be found out by the teacher using the functions of MS Excel. Now, MS Excel is a very great platform for the teachers to carry out their uh, daily activities related to their classroom, and most of all to supervise the performance of the students, to scrutinize their performance and trying to figure where their students are standing in terms of performance in the class. Now, I know that Excel is something which we all have learned in our school days. However, if you are one of those who have forgotten most of the things which you learned in the school, including MS Excel, like me, so here is the opportunity to learn this concept. So I'll be sharing my screen with you. That is in a moment. Yeah. So as you can see, I have created a so as you can see, this is a spreadsheet of MS Excel, and I have created a sample mark sheet, something which I was quite fascinated about. Where when the role of teacher is concerned, like they have to curate all the marks that the students are doing. So I've curated this sample mark sheet, and I'm going to find out the mean, median, mode for different columns. Now suppose the teacher wants to find out the mean, median, mode for the subject of English. The teacher wants to find out the mean, median, and mode of the marks scored by the students in English. So how will a teacher proceed? First of all, there's a method you can, either you can select the entire thing and then we can find out, or like you can do it manually also. The function for finding out the mean is, now mean is basically the average. So we can do this. You have to now put the location of the data. So like C2 to C60. Now in the language of Excel, the column is equal to 2. Sorry, I've put wrong thing. No. So now we have put the function for finding out the mean. I'll just put the enter key and here I get the mean for this. Now how to find out the median? Same, you put the equal mark, you type median, put the location of the data, C2 column C16. Forgive me, don't make mistake of me. We press the enter key and there we get the median. As you can see, the median is different from the mean here. How to find out the mode? The mode is somewhat tricky. Like the type mode. Now choose the second one, that's mode FNG, and the third one is quite outdated. Put the details into column B, enter. So here you're getting the mean, median, and mode for the marks scored by the student in English. And suppose I want the same thing for all these columns. So what I'm going to do, I can either put it manually or in order to save our time, you can just autofill. So here you can see the plus sign. Just with your mouse, just drag it. I think it's the trouble. Just hold it, the cursor, just drag it over. As you can see, automatically the mean gets filled for all the columns. The same thing you can do for median also. Just drag and it get autofilled. We do it for more also. Yeah, we get autofill. So the concept of mean, median, mode is very important for the teacher. For example, suppose the teacher wants to know the average performance of the class in an exam, a particular unit test. The teacher should find out the mean of the marks of the scored by the students. In this way, the teacher will get a general idea of the performance of the class. If the mean is high, class performs well. If the mean is low, the class poorly. Now, suppose the teacher wants to find out the students who really need help, who really need remedial classes. The teacher should find out the median. The median is the middle point. So those who scored less than the median, they need some help for the exam. Those who scored above the median, they are perfectly fine. Now the third is mode. Now suppose the teacher wants to know the common position of the students for a particular exam. Like where the students are standing in their preparation for the exam. So the teacher should find out the mode because the mode is the most frequently occurring data in a particular uh, column of data. So by using the mean, median, and mode, the teacher can estimate the performance, the needs of the students in a more better way. So the future teachers should not shy away from using mean, median, and mode uh, to estimate the performance and needs of their students. That's all from my side. Thank you.